Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, hello everyone. How are you all today? I hope you have a great holiday. Okay. So today with me again, we are going to learn about new material. But I want to ask you a question. Do you still remember what we have learned in the last meeting? Do you? Exactly, we have learned about have you ever. Can you think of one sentence using have you ever? Right, we can make a question using have you ever. Have you ever climbed a mountain? Or have you ever seen a dancing monkey, for example? Jadi ketika kalian menggunakan pertanyaan have you ever, pernahkah kamu? You can start with have. Have you ever? Dan diikuti past participle. Like seen, climbed, itu namanya past participle. Jadi, have you ever climbed a mountain itu artinya apa? Pernahkah kalian mendaki gunung? Betul. Okay, so today we are going to learn about how long have you. Do you know what is it? How long have you means sudah berapa lama kamu? Okay, so in this lesson we are going to read a text and let's start by practicing the vocabularies. Okay, please listen carefully and repeat. Jadi silakan didengarkan dan diulangi.
Boy Scout.
Boy Scout.
Nature.
Nature.
Badge.
Badge.
Uniform.
Uniform.
First aid.
First aid.
Different.
Different.
Survive.
Survive.
Outside.
Outside. Okay, can you guess what we are going to read? Boy Scout. Do you know what is Boy Scout? Okay.
Activity 1. Look at the pictures. What do you know about Boy Scouts? Listen and check your answers. Scouting. Have you ever heard of Boy Scouts? Well, Scouting started in 1907 as a way to teach children different skills like first aid, surviving in nature, and working in teams. Today, there are millions of Boy Scouts from 216 countries. All Boy Scouts wear uniforms, and they get special merit badges when they do well in an activity.
My name's Jake, and I've been a Boy Scout for 3 years. We do lots of activities, and we get merit badges. Right now, I'm trying to get my coin collecting badge. I found most of the coins I need, but I still need a few more.
I'm Eric, and I've been a Boy Scout since 2012. I've made lots of friends with the Boy Scouts, and we have a lot of fun. We are outside a lot, and we explore nature. We do lots of exciting things like hiking, canoeing, and I've been camping 3 times so far.
Okay. So here, this text is talking about scouting. So do you know what is scouting? Ini tentang pramuka. Okay, now let's see. Jake said, we do lots of activities and we get merit badges. Right now, I'm trying to get my coin collecting badge. Can you imagine what kind of badge? So, have you ever watched Up movie? Pernah nonton film Up? Kalau pernah, kalian pasti pernah lihat badge yang digunakan anak laki-lakinya yang badge-nya sudah penuh. Nah, di situ dia collecting badges ada satu badges yang tersisa, yaitu menolong orang tua. Nah, itu namanya collecting badges. Okay, now let's move on to the question. Number 1. How many Boy Scouts are there in the world? How many Boy Scouts are there in the world? How many artinya ada berapa banyak di dunia ini Boy Scouts-nya? Nih. Jawabannya ada di sini. Today, there are millions of Boy Scouts. Ada berapa? Right, ada millions. Number 2. What do Boy Scouts learn? Apa yang dipelajari oleh Boy Scouts? Nih. Jawabannya ada di mana? Betul, ada di sini. A way to teach children different skills. Nah, different skills like first aid, surviving in nature, and working in teams. Jadi jawabannya adalah yang dipelajarinya first aid, surviving in nature, and working in teams. Lalu, what do Boy Scouts wear? Wear itu artinya kenakan. Apa yang Boy Scouts kenakan? Jawabannya ada di sini. All Boy Scouts wear uniforms. Jadi mereka menggunakan uniform. Uniform means seragam. How long has Jake been a Boy Scout? How long tadi apa artinya? Berapa lama? Berapa lama Jake menjadi pramuka? Nih, let's see what Jake said. I've been a Boy Scout for 3 years. Jadi sudah 3 tahun. Dia menjadi Boy Scout 3 tahun. 4. What badge is Jake trying to get? Nah, jawabannya, I'm trying to get my coin collecting badge. Lalu, when did Eric become a Boy Scout? Let's see what Eric said. Nah, I've been a Boy Scout since 2012. Nah, kalau yang atas, kata Jake, I've been a Boy Scout for 3 years. Kalau kata Eric, I've been a Boy Scout since 2012. Do you see the difference? Kalian tahu bedanya? Right. Kalau yang Jake, dia bilang for 3 years. Kalau Eric, dia bilang since 2012. Yang atas for, yang bawah since. Kalau for, itu untuk menunjukkan jumlahnya. Jumlahnya 3 years. Dia sudah menjadi Boy Scout selama 3 years. Atau 2 days. Atau 1 hour. For 1 hour. Jadi untuk menunjukkan jumlahnya dia sudah berapa lama. But for since, I've been a Boy Scout since 2012. Sejak. Jadi kalau for itu sudah berapa lama, kalau since itu sejak 2012, sejak tahun 2012. And the last question, what does Eric find exciting? Apa yang exciting menurut Eric? Nah, he said, we do lots of exciting things like hiking, canoeing, and I've been camping 3 times so far. Nah, 3 times so far. Kalau so far itu artinya sejauh ini. Jadi dia sudah camping sejauh ini sebanyak berapa? Betul, sebanyak 3 kali. Nah, how long have you been a Boy Scout? Sudah berapa lama kamu menjadi Boy Scout atau anak pramuka? Yang pertama, I've been a Boy Scout since 2007. Kalau since tadi apa? Since itu sejak. I've been a Boy Scout since 2007. Yang kedua, I've been a Boy Scout for 2 years. Aku menjadi Boy Scout selama 2 tahun. Jadi dia udah 2 tahun. Kalau yang di atas sejak 2007, kalau yang di bawah dia sudah menjadi Boy Scout selama 2 tahun. Yang terakhir, I found 3 coins so far. Aku sudah menemukan 3 koin sejauh ini. Nah, silakan write this text in your textbook. Silakan tulis ini di buku tulis kalian dan kasih informasi since itu apa, for itu apa, dan so far itu apa. Gunakan bahasa kalian agar kalian lebih memahami apa yang sudah kalian tulis. Nah, read and circle. Read and circle. Number 1. Fatima has been a teacher for or since 3 years. Kalau 3 years berarti apa? Sejak atau jumlahnya. Betul, Fatima has been a teacher for 3 years. Fatima menjadi guru selama 3 tahun. Number 2. I haven't been rock climbing since last summer. Nah, karena ini tidak menunjukkan jumlah, I haven't been rock climbing since last summer. Aku belum mendaki gunung batu lagi sejak summer kemarin. Okay, number 3. Mr. Brown has been here bla 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 11 o'clock. Apakah ini menunjukkan jumlah atau sejak? Lalu Jim has had his cat for or since last month. Jim has had his cat for last month atau since last month. Nah, setelah itu they haven't seen Mark for atau since 2 days. Maybe he's ill. They haven't seen Mark for 2 days atau since 2 days. Nih, kalau menyebutkan jumlah berarti jawabannya for. Tapi kalau menunjukkan waktu, misalnya tahun atau musim apa, nah pakainya sejak. Karena tidak mungkin sejak 2 hari, tapi untuk 2 hari. Jadi dia belum melihat Mark for 2 days. Kalau misalnya since, kalimatnya seperti ini, they haven't seen Mark since Tuesday atau since yesterday. Jadi sejak kemarin atau sejak Selasa. Tapi berapa lamanya? 2 days. Okay, now this is your assignment. Create a quiz for your partner, then talk in pairs. Nah, karena kita belajarnya di rumah, jadi tidak bisa bekerja sama dengan teman. Silakan kalian buat 5 questions and you can ask your parents or sister or brother. For example, have you ever made a model plane? Nah, ini misalnya kalian tanyakan ke kakak kalian. Have you ever made a model plane? Nanti kakaknya jawab, yes, I have. Atau, no, I haven't. I've never made a model plane. Jadi kalau tidak pernah, I've never, I have never. Atau, I have not made a model plane. Silakan kalian tulis di buku kalian, buat 5 pertanyaan menggunakan have you ever. Lalu silakan dijawab oleh orang tua kalian atau saudara kalian dan tulis jawabannya. Jadi dibuat tabel kanan kiri. Di kiri pertanyaannya, di kanan jawabannya. Seperti ini, have you ever made a model plane? Di sebelah kiri, yes, I have. Atau no, I haven't. Tulis jawabannya di sebelah kanan. Kalian boleh menanyakan apapun. Lalu setelah itu, silakan bagian ini di print atau disalin. Lalu, look at the grid and find the past participles of the verb in the box. Kalian lihat, di sini ada verb 1, ada buy, hide, make, find, learn, take, meet, look, hear, fall. Ini semuanya present verb. Nah, sekarang kalian cari past participle-nya di dalam box ini. Jadi tugas yang harus dikumpulkannya ada 2. Ada have you ever dan ada mencari past participle di dalam box. Okay, is that clear? Oke, kalau sudah, silakan di-upload di Google Form yang disediakan. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any question, you can ask through WhatsApp. Kalau ada pertanyaan, boleh ditanyakan melalui WhatsApp. Okay, good job. See you later, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.